Sa video na ito, i-explain ko naman yung concept ng equity. So, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng equity? Equity means yung alamin mo muna kung ano yung halaga ng bahay mo, ano ba yung market value ng bahay mo. So, let's say, ang market value ng bahay mo is 1 million. Tapos, magkano pa ba ang utang na natitira sa bahay mo? Let's say, in the last 5 years, umakyat yung bahay ko ng 1 million, yung utang ko bumaba ng half a million. So, ang equity mo ngayon is yung difference between ng 1 million at saka ng 500,000, which is may equity ka ng 500,000. Now, ano ang rason kung bakit gusto mong maintindihan yung equity? Kasi may possibility na pwede mong i-release yung equity ng bahay mo. Then, I'll let you know kung anong mga reasons kung bakit mo i-release yung equity ng bahay mo. But first, I want to discuss ano ang definition naman ng usable equity. So magkaiba yung equity, magkaiba yung usable equity. Yung usable equity naman is kung ano yung equity na pwede mong i-pull out, pwede mong kunin as a loan against your house. So it will be up to 80% ng halaga ng bahay mo ang usable equity. So let's say, 80% ng 1 million is 800,000. Ang utang mo is 500,000. So, ang usable equity is the difference between 800,000 at saka 500,000. So, yung 300,000 dun, which is 800 minus 500 is 300,000. That is called usable equity. So, saan natin pwedeng gamitin yung usable equity? Marami. So, let's say, gusto mong mag-upgrade ng bahay, papinta o mag-renovate, pwede mong gamitin yung 300,000. Pinakamaganda, pwede kang bumili ng investment property using the 300,000 na inakyat ng halaga ng bahay mo. So, gusto mo ng bumili ng isang investment property. So, gagamitin mo yung 300,000 para doon sa 20% deposit ng bibilin mong investment property. Tapos, syempre, dadagdagan mo pa ng mga gastos sa stamp duty and all that. But I will discuss that in another video. So, that's another use of that usable equity. Now, if you want to find out more about equity and then about property investing, you can give me a call. My name is Maria Papa. My number is 0430-144-008, or you can email me to mpapa@maverickfinance.com.au. Gagawa pa ako ng mga video discussing yung property investment. So, watch out for the next videos after this.